I remember one night sitting on my couch scrolling through my phone. A friend of mine had just posted about how their YouTube channel was exploding, and another was bragging about making a fortune on Bitcoin. And there I was, same couch, same excuses, same pit in my stomach. I thought, I wasted so many years. I let so many opportunities slip through my hands. Maybe you felt that too. Maybe you stayed in the wrong relationship for too long. Maybe you didn't pursue your dreams when you had the chance. Or maybe, like me, you regret not starting something earlier, watching others build the life you wanted while you stood still. But here's the truth. Almost everyone reaches a point where they feel regret about lost time. The good news is wasted years do not mean a wasted life. You still have the power to recover, rebuild, and create a future far better than your past. You know what keeps most people stuck? It's not the past itself, it's the way they keep replaying it, over and over, like a movie they can't turn off. I used to do that too. I'd think, why did I waste so much time? Why didn't I start sooner? And every time that thought came back, it was like I was punishing myself all over again. But here's what I realized. Regret is only useful if you turn it into a lesson. Instead of asking, why did I waste those years? I started asking, what did those years teach me? Maybe you learned resilience from a tough relationship, maybe patience from waiting too long, or maybe clarity about what you don't want in life. The past isn't a prison, it's a classroom. And if you're willing to learn from it, then no year is ever truly wasted. It was just tuition you paid for the wisdom you have now. We all carry stories about who we are, and the problem is, most of us are telling ourselves the wrong story. For the longest time, mine was, I'm too late. I've already messed up. My chance is gone. Maybe your story sounds like, I'm not good enough. I always screw things up. I'm too old to start again. But here's the thing, those aren't facts. They're just stories. And the brain loves to pick the worst possible interpretation and repeat it until we believe it. What changed everything for me was realizing I could rewrite my story. Instead of saying I wasted time, I started saying I was preparing myself for what's next. That little shift gave me permission to try again, to move forward without being chained to my past. So let me ask you, what story are you telling yourself? And what would happen if you told a better one? Here's something I learned the hard way. You don't get your years back by chasing everything at once. You get them back by focusing on what really matters. For a long time, I was just busy, doing a little of this, a little of that, telling myself I was making progress. But the truth? I was just distracting myself, and that's how more years slip away. So I started asking a simple question. If I only had 5 years left, what would I want to accomplish? That question cuts through all the noise. Maybe for you, it's repairing a relationship. Maybe it's starting a business. Maybe it's finally putting your health first. Whatever your answer is, that's your compass. Because once you know what matters most, everything else becomes background noise. You stop wasting time and you start moving with clarity. And clarity is power. Here's the mistake a lot of us make. We waste years, then suddenly decide we're going to fix our entire life in a week. We overhaul our schedule, set a dozen goals, and try to reinvent ourselves overnight. And you know what happens? Burnout, disappointment. And then we quit. What actually works is the opposite. Small, consistent steps. When I wanted to rebuild my health, I didn't start with some insane workout program. I just went for a 20-minute walk every day. When I wanted to get better financially, I didn't double my income. I just started saving a tiny percentage. Those small steps didn't look like much at first. Honestly, they felt almost silly, but over time they started to stack. Day after day, week after week, month after month, suddenly the results were undeniable. That's the real secret. Consistency beats intensity. Here's something I wish I had understood sooner. You cannot rebuild your life in the same environment where you wasted it. For the longest time, I kept trying to change my habits while staying around the same people, the same routines, the same conversations. And surprise, nothing changed, because your environment shapes you more than motivation ever will. I had to start asking myself, who in my life pushes me forward and who pulls me back? And the answer wasn't always easy. Sometimes it meant creating distance from people I cared about, simply because their influence kept me stuck. Sometimes it meant seeking out new communities, new mentors, new voices that challenged me to grow. The truth is, your future self is being built right now, by the people you spend time with today. So choose wisely. Here's the part that surprised me the most. Even regret can be redeemed. For years, I thought my wasted time was just that. Wasted. A black hole I could never get back. But over time, I started to realize something different. Those struggles, those mistakes, even the pain, they could actually serve someone else. Think about it. The very things you regret might be the exact story someone else needs to hear. Your failures can become lessons. Your lowest moments can become the encouragement that keeps another person going. When you give your pain a purpose, it stops being wasted. It becomes meaningful. It becomes a contribution. And contribution is what makes a life feel full. Not perfect, not without scars, but full of meaning. So if you're carrying the weight of wasted years or maybe missed opportunities, I want you to hear this. Your story isn't finished. The past only defines you if you keep living there. The moment you decide to take action, you change the direction of your life. Yes, maybe the best time to start was years ago, but the second best time? It's right now. So don't wait for someday. Don't wait for the perfect plan, the perfect timing, or the perfect version of yourself. Start where you are with what you have today. Take one step, just one. And let that be the beginning of the chapter where regret turns into redemption. Because wasted years don't have to mean a wasted life. They can be the foundation of the best years still to come.